One of the most important and fascinating part about the cryptocurrencies is the privacy. But all cryptocurrencies are not truly private. There are very few which are completely privacy based currencies. One such project is Dash. Dash is a peer to peer digital currency which is used for payment systems. Dash was started back in January 2014, named as Xcoin, which was later rebranded as Darkcoin. Dash is based on Bitcoin and resembles Bitcoin in many aspects, but its two-tier network, also known as masternode network, makes Dash better at faster transactions, privacy, and governance. Dash was the first cryptocurrency based on Bitcoin with built-in privacy functions. This review of Dash tries to explain the features, working, and future roadmap of Dash. Some of the main features of Dash are it is based on X11 hash algorithm. It is CPU, GPU, ASIC mining is supported. 2.6 minutes of block time, 2 MB blocks, approximately 56 transactions per second. Block rewards decreased by 7.14% per year. Total supply is 17.74 million to 18.92 million. Superior privacy using private send, instant transactions using instant send, decentralized masternode network which allows the masternode owners to vote on budget proposals and important decisions regarding Dash. Governance and treasury allow the stakeholders to take the decisions regarding the project. Mining and masternodes. So what is mining? Mining is repeatedly solving hash algorithms until a valid solution for the current mining difficulty is discovered. Miners try to solve complex math problems with specialized computers. If they are successful, they are awarded with the right to add a new block to the blockchain. If all the other nodes agree to the solution, the block is added into the blockchain and the miner is rewarded. Dash uses X11 algorithm for mining. Dash can be mined on GPU as well as ASICs. 45% of the block reward is reserved for the miners. Private Send. Private Send is a feature of Dash which gives its users more financial privacy. Private Send hides the origin of your funds, hereby making it private and secure. All the Dash present in your wallet is made of different inputs, which is equivalent to different coins. Private Send uses an innovative technique of mixing your inputs with the inputs of two different users in one single transaction. So the value in Dash never leaves your wallet. You have the control for your funds all the time. Instant Send. It is the technology that allows Dash to compete with other traditional instant transaction systems like credit cards without intervention of any central authority. Other cryptocurrencies have to wait for a certain period of time for the blocks to be mined to make sure that the transactions are irreversible and the amount has not been spent elsewhere. This process takes up a lot of time, which makes other cryptocurrency transactions comparatively slower, or they find an alternative to it by involving a centralized authority to the network, which compromises with the entire purpose of decentralized currency. Instant send technology helps Dash to overcome these drawbacks. Chain locks. Chain locks are a feature of Dash that ensure certainty while accepting the payments. Chain locks, when clubbed with instant send, enables the payments to be accepted instantly without any waiting for multiple confirmations for the transaction. Multiple confirmations of a transaction come at a cost, and chain locks are a solution for this. X11 hash algorithm. X11 is a hashing algorithm which was created by Dash's core developer Ivan Duffield. X11's chained hashing algorithm utilizes a sequence of 11 scientific hashing algorithms for the proof of work. It was made sure that the processing distribution is fair, just like Bitcoin. X11 is partly inspired chained hashing approach of Quark. X11 algorithm uses multiple rounds of 11 different hashing algorithms, which makes it much safer cryptographic hashes among other modern cryptocurrencies.